If you need to cancel a pending transfer on current, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your transaction is successfully reversed. Step 1. Open the Current app. Launch the Current app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your transfer details. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once you're in the app, locate the Transactions section. This is usually found in the main menu or dashboard where you can view all your recent activity. Step 3. Find the pending transfer. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed and breaches without people even realizing it. Use Isroc to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Select the transfer. Tap on the pending transfer to open its details. Here, you will see options related to the transaction, including the option to cancel. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Look for the Cancel Transfer option and select it. Follow any prompts to confirm your cancellation, ensuring that the transfer is officially cancelled. After completing these steps, your pending transfer should be successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to current customer support for assistance.